What's up everybody, this is Cora once again. Welcome back to my channel. So today is another unboxing video and you already know what I will be unboxing. So without further ado, let's get it on. Alright, again guys, we have purchased this from one of the leading online shops in the Philippines. So it is well wrapped with a bubble wrap with a tape. After the bubble wrap, it's labeled as fragile. Okay, so let me just cut the plastic off first with the bubble wrap as well. I'm just gonna be using the same scissors exactly that I have been using ever since I have started my unboxing video. Alright, so we have purchased this guys because our laptop doesn't have a table or a stand. I normally use po yung my baby's day out organizer, and we used to use the laptop when we are in our bed. So this is alright, there you go. Okay, the plastic, this is the paper. It's the details of the product, so there. Okay, so let's just open the box. Alright, I'm gonna be using cutter this time guys, para hindi ako mahirapan i-cut yung kanyang tape. Ayan po siya. Ayan. Okay, and then let me see if I can open this one right now. Oops. Okay guys, so on the spot po namin to binili guys kasi since I have a toddler, a little one, lagi pong nalalaglag ang aming laptop kasi nasisipa niya yung ang aming pinapatungan na organizer, baby day out organizer. Ayan, ito po siya guys. Okay, so when you open the box, you will see the product with the bubble wrap. So it's bubble wrap inside and out. Okay, so tanggalin ko siya sa box guys. Alright. So this is it. That's it. This is our laptop, table, and stand. Okay. And then I'm gonna remove the bubble wrap. There you go, guys. The reason why we chose this one, guys, is because this one is portable, and also this is made up of high quality bamboo material. There you go. And this is also environmental friendly. This is adjustable, safe, sturdy, and very durable. Okay. Let me show you what's at the back of the desk. There. And then the reason why it has like this design guys, this is for ventilation kasi ang ating mga laptop ay meron pong labasan or naglalabas po siya ng heat. So kailangan po siyang ma-ventilate. So kaya siya merong ganito para po makalabas yung hangin at hindi uminit yung ating laptop. Yan, so let me see. Okay. So I think this is the stand. Okay. And this is the stand guys. Wow, this is so cute. You see that guys? This is so cute. And of course, if you notice this one right here, okay, this is a cup tray, or this is where you will put the cup if maybe you are drinking coffee or water. That's nice. And there is also a drawer, a really cute drawer. And this one is... Okay, so ito po yung guys, yung pangharang niya sa ating laptop. Kung itataas na po natin siya, for example. So, this is good thing guys, kasi pwede mo siyang i-adjust. Ayan. Let's say this one. Okay, let me show you the back portion of it. There is the stand na pwede mo siyang i-adjust guys. Para kung depende sa, this is the highest. Yan, highest height na pwede mo siyang i-stand. Ayan, second, and then third, and then fourth. No, this is already the fourth. Yan, there. That's the fourth. So, for heights, depending on your desired height on your laptop, if you are maybe lying on your bed, so maybe you can try on the highest adjustable height there. And then, also guys, this one, ayan, there you go. So, and the good thing, what we liked about this one, guys, another one is that because it is also adjustable, the height of the table itself. So, apat na knobs po to, guys. The one in colored black. One right here, second, third, and then fourth. This is used to adjust the height of this table itself. So, just be careful guys na pag ikot-ikot nyo kasi pag nasobrahan sa ikot guys, nalalaglag siya ha. So, just be careful. So, once it loosen up, yan, you can adjust the height. This is the maximum height. Ayan. So, once na reach mo na yung max, ikutin mo lang siya ulit to lock the stand. There. And make sure it's tight. And there we go. And then the other one, okay. There. This is really cute, guys. This is very useful. Our laptop will be safe. So there, let me show you the front portion. It's lightweight, guys. Okay, it's lightweight. That's the good thing of using bamboo material instead of the wood one because it is lightweight. So if you are gonna bring it somewhere, hindi kayo mahirapan or mabigatan na dalhin siya. Ayan, at saka environment friendly siya. Hindi kasi siya made of plastic. Ayan. So ipapakita ko rin po sa likod guys. So meron siyang lock dito. This one right here guys. Para kapag if you decide na naka-flat lang yung laptop, ito siya ang magla-lock. Dito siya magla-lock. Kasi kapag itinaas mo siya, it's like this one. Okay, so, but if you want to just like the flat surface, yan, there you go. That's the lock. And then, well, that's it guys. Aside from this senda here, that's it. I really like this. It's really cute and I'm excited to use this one today. I'm gonna test this using our laptop. Let me show it to you. Ayan guys. So I'm ready to test this one using our laptop. There you go. This is our laptop guys. We have here HP guys. And by the way, so this is suitable for laptops with size less than 14 inch. Okay. Wow, it just fits our laptop. Yan. So just be careful guys not to sit on this one, or if just like me I have a toddler, be careful na hindi siya uupuan or yung tatapakan or paglalaroan ng baby ng toddlers because it might break. Okay. This is just solely for laptops. Yan siya guys. So, let me check, adjust the height. There we go. The table. Okay guys. So, this is the highest, the maximum height of its adjustable size, height. And then this is the second one. There's a significant change, but there is really, you can see the difference of the height once you use this. This is the third one. This is good when you are lying in your bed, tapos gusto mong mag-laptop, and then your feet will be underneath. And then this is really perfect. And this is the lowest, the minimum height. There. So let me show it to you. Isn't it nice? Wow. I like it. And I'm so excited to use this later today. Okay, and this one right here where you can put in your cup of coffee, or maybe, let me see. How about this one? Isn't it nice? It's really nice. I so love it. So let me see. You see that, guys? I have now my laptop desk. Nice. I am so happy. I would like to thank my husband for buying me this one. This is credits to him, of course. Alright, I wouldn't be having this if not because of him. Kasi lagi niya po kaming nakikitang nakababad sa laptop because I do YouTube. Of course, I support my friends. So, kaya lagi siyang nahuhulog na sisipa ng baby ko because I'm a full-time mom. Naaawa daw siya sa laptop, guys. Kaya binilan ako ng hobby ko. So, thank you so much to my dear husband for buying me this laptop desk. Thank you so much. And I'm so happy. This is laptop desk stand made up of high-quality bamboo material with exquisite workmanship, natural, environmental friendly, safe, sturdy, and durable to use. Excellent craftsmanship with flower-shaped ventilation holes on surface for timely heat emission. The anti-collision desk corner can prevent you being scratched. The design of a button is used to adjust the table legs. It also has many other smart designs, just like adjustable desk panel for your comfortable reading, an anti-slip baffle that a laptop won't fall down easily, a small drawer for storing items, and a groove for putting cup. Reasonable size, foldable, and lightweight that can be perfectly used in your home bed, sofa, or etc. It can also be used as a great gift for your families or friends. And some of the specifications are its condition is 100% brand new. Material used is bamboo. Color is like what we have shown you. Suitable for laptop size less than 14 inch. And the weight is approximately 2,260 grams. Once again, this is laptop desk stand. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please make sure to subscribe and tick that notification bell. Do not forget our Facebook page. You can follow us and unboxing and everything, and our Twitter account, that is Unboxing E. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye! Love ya!